You have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra. I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease the font size of your SMS text messaging app, okay? So it's right here. If I tap on that, first way is you pinch it, okay? You can pinch it like this. And even though when you're writing, it's going to increase and decrease as well, okay? Now this is the smallest, this is the largest. If this largest here is not large enough for you, then we can also go into the font settings and increase it even more. So let's go to settings here. And then from settings, you just want to go to display right here. And then we want to go down to font size and style right here. And just for example purposes, I'm going to jack it all the way up. And now if we go back into the text messaging app, so I'll go back here and wow, you can see how big that is now. Okay, the only thing is even though we jacked it all the way up, everything else is going to be increased in size as well. If we go into settings, you can see how it makes this like super big too. Okay, so just FYI. Okay, good luck guys.